So hey guys, just wanted to share something with you. If you remember, I got the real carbon fiber license plate frames a while back, and I want to show you guys why I advise not getting one for the front. You know, I don't drive a whole lot at all, and it already has a couple chips on it. You see right here, I chipped it pretty good. And then there's another one here. Let's see. Right there. And like I said, I don't put many miles on this car. So if you guys are driving just even an average amount, I would advise getting the carbon fiber one at least, because it's going to get just rattled with chips. The back one's fine, of course. No rock chips there, of course. So no scratching even just from washing it. Looks really good. So save yourself some money. And these are like I said, the quality is really good on these plates. So if you were to get one, I would just pick up one. I got the double pack, but I would just get one of them, because the front one, I would just get a cheap black frame just because it just does not last. And like I said, they haven't been on that long, and I don't drive this car that much at all. So just wanted to share that experience with you guys, save you a few dollars, you know, especially a lot of you guys I've noticed, you guys said you commute in them, whatever. It's just, it won't look that good after a short period of time, okay? So I just wanted to share my experience with that. Hopefully it'll save you guys some money. Other than that, like I said, the quality is great. It's just I'm not advisable for the front, especially being mounted so low like that. Okay? Hope everyone's doing good out there. I'll have another video coming up shortly, and I will catch you guys next time.